All of this. All of that. All of this. All of this. Oh. And all of that. As soon as the electricity comes back, we're gonna test it out. Look at this. You know what it is, gorgeouses? Woo, this is good. I don't even know. I'm tired. I've been up. I've been working all day inside the house, outside the house, taking breaks, drinking water, little by little. Okay, gorgeouses. This is Estrada. I'm out. Be safe and kind, and love each other. Pray. Take care of everybody. Love you. Bye-bye. Hey, hello, gorgeouses. Woo. Very nice day. We barely made it. Yeah, we're good. We're good. I mean, a lot of branches fall down because of the Hurricane Beryl. So we barely made it. There's a big branch right here. And from the last tornado that I put, you know, on the video, I noticed that it broke this branch right over there. I don't know if you could see it, but it's kind of dangerous. I will have to go and ask somebody to help me with that. Oh, and if I'm shaky in the camera, I believe it's because I need to get some electrolytes. Remember, it's very important to get your electrolytes when you're working out or whenever you're working outside. Right now, I've been working outside already, picking up everything. Look. Let's go left. All of this. All of this. All of that. All of this. All of this. Oh. And all of that. And my fence already fall down again. So we got all of this here. All of that stuff. I already started piling up things. But this time, I don't feel like burning anything. Like last time, I did a burn pile. But I'm gonna let the city take care of this one today. So I already started piling up. And I say, you know, I think it's a good time for a little video. Just for everybody to understand, in a carnivore lifestyle, you do have that energy that you want to go and do things. I mean, you can see I'm kind of sweating. I kind of already going at it. I've been up since 5 in the morning because it was so hot inside. Since we don't have electricity again, hopefully it's not gonna take 5 days like when the tornado passed. This time, that Beryl hurricane is really messing everybody's up. So I have those limbs here. I got more stuff. I already went all around the property. And see, I already put the pile over there. There's some leftovers as I was walking to put it over here. You see at the end it's gonna be huge. So I'm gonna get all of those today. And look at my trees. My beautiful trees. They got bent. I'm gonna try to fix it with my truck. That's gonna be another video because I don't think I'm gonna have time to do that. Oi! But my beautiful tree, all the little flowers, there's still some of them there. See, beautiful, beautiful flowers, gorgeous. Hello, this is for you, gorgeous. All right, I love you, gorgeouses. I mean, I just wanted to give that little post. Right now, I'm listening to many different videos with the carnivore. I'm listening to Homestead How, Dr. Chafee, I think Dr. Barry, Dr. Baker. So I'm pretty busy. I still come and charge the cell phone with my truck, so I do have a charger there. And then I just go drink water now and then. Right now I'm gonna go back inside, drink a little bit more water, put more salt, and then at it again. Love you, gorgeouses. This is Strata. Woo! The carnival way. The carnival way. You see all of the broken branches. All of the broken branches. Barely. We made it. Because of barrel. You get it? Barely. Barrel. All right, all right. Almost fall down. that water in the ditch made the ditch very soft because this thing was all the way here on top of water. I'm almost done. Woo. Almost done, gorgeouses. I just wanted to get this last. Ooh. Woo! Almost done. Last thing we need to do is just cut the grass, and then I'll show you the final. I heard something over there, but it distracted me. So, his hair, I think I'm gonna cut it off soon. Go ahead and put in the comments. Get rid of that hair. And I'll do it sooner. Woo. What a day. Thank you, gorgeouses, again. Subscribe to the channel, please. And praying for everyone else as well because of Daryl. I'm sorry, Beryl. Barely. Remember, we keep it here nice and raw, just like it is. Praying for the safety of everybody that has been, impacted by Beryl. There's still a lot of people with no power, just like I am. But I don't care about me. Hopefully everybody is safe, sound, well. And of course, if you are there and if by any chance you see me talking about this, please, when you're outside, remember to electrolyte. Always take your electrolyte, drink enough water, and do the work that you need to do outside, little by little, baby steps. I mean, I've been here, I believe I started from 5 in the morning, and it's gonna be, I don't know what time it is, but maybe 7. No, I think it's about 6. Because I just picked up my wife. I left her somebody's house that has electricity, so she's cooking some steaks. Because I still been fast this whole day. I have not ate anything, so good for me. I really love and I enjoy to be outside. One of the stress reasons that I feel very, very stressed is my work. I work inside, so the electricity is very important because I work at home, inside an office. But either way, gorgeouses, it's not the right time to talk to you about that. But my job is very stressful, and I have enjoyed this day off. Even I'm not getting paid, but who cares? I'll try to fix that as soon as possible. Maybe getting another job or something else, but it's okay. Thank you, gorgeouses. This is Estrada. Please subscribe, share. Let's get this going on. And have a wonderful day. Okay, I gotta go. My mind is not that sharp, remember. Hi, gorgeouses. Let's finish this. Last video. The last product. Woo! Hello, gorgeouses. Wow, this hair is bothering me already too much. When I work out, it doesn't bother me because I'm in the AC. But here, man, it's really something. Totally different. Well, as you can see, I already finished. Look at that. Everything very nice and clean. Oh, here's all the piles that I pick up. See that? There's one. The other one's over there. Hopefully you see it. It's as big as this one. I've been working here almost all day. All day. Okay, let's take this thing back to our shed. I haven't cut the grass in a while. Usually my son is the one who does that because I fell twice here in the shed. See, it's a little steep right there. I got a bunch of stuff that I gotta pick up more. Today was branches and see what else. Let's see. Oi. So I'm getting the help of the machine to go up. Wait. I gotta go ahead and take the battery out. Oh, look at this. I was gonna tell you because later I found this today. As soon as the electricity comes back, we're gonna test it out. Look at this. You know what it is, gorgeouses? Woo, this is gonna help a lot with the lipo problem, lymphatic problem. I think that's what it is, right? Lymphatic problem that a lot of obese people have. Oh, and that is a wonderful machine. I forgot that I had it here. I had it in here for a while already. I mean, it's been here for a while. I know that a lot of other carnivores talk about it. I know that Bill Nott talk about it. I know that Mindy, beautiful, gorgeous Mindy. Ow! This thing is heavy. That's what I'm complaining. And I had the little one here in case I needed to, in case it ran out of battery. Limitless Lindy, yes, Limitless Lindy. Woo! So I did end up listening today at Bill Nott. He went to Walmart, and then I heard Homestead How he was with TD and the wife, Faith. Wonderful people. Look, gorgeous. Look how everything looks. You saw the beginning of the video. I still got some little things to pick up, but you see how much I work. Look here, inside. I cleaned all of that up. The big branch that it was there. Everything here. I clean up. Looks better, better, parquet. No more parquet. That's still in my head, right? How many times we heard that? Better, butter, parquet. That's something I used to also use before being a carnivore. Not anymore. I only use butter. And tomorrow I'm gonna continue, gorgeous. I was looking at the time, and yeah, now it's 7. I got all of that stuff to pick up tomorrow. I already rake it, and I'm gonna go in and ask for some days off because I don't know when the electricity is gonna come back. I didn't do a video when the storm of BERYL was happening because I knew it was coming, but I thought it was gonna go by Austin the last time that I heard the news. So I really didn't pay attention. You know, I didn't pay attention of the whole whereabout the storm, and that's why I didn't do a video. But again, you can see I have all my windows open. There's no ice here. I have nothing. No meat, no nothing, no electricity, some leftover crap. Ice cream. Not mine. Oh, look what I found. Heavy cream. I gotta take this back. I gotta take it to my sister-in-law refrigerator. I don't want it to go bad. And you see it's open right here also. It's open right here too. So we have the air going on. A good flow. Well, we already went around the house because we have to put the batteries. But then, yeah. Let's see when I'm gonna fix my tree. I got messed up. And again, I did manage to pick up everything around the house today. So, gorgeouses, thank you again for being so kind, for subscribing on the channel. This is Estrada. I'm out. I love you, all of you. Be kind to each other. Pray, prepare. Always we gotta be kind and humble and servers. Just before coming in today, I was helping another family, of course, and that's what I'm here for. I'm here to serve. And I know that other people are gonna come and help me when I need help. I know. God is amazing. God is good all the time, everyone. Love you. Have a wonderful day, gorgeouses. Okay, this is Estrada. I'm out. This is my reward at the end of the day. So please pray and stay strong. Eat enough meat. Get healthy and stay gorgeously.